This is gonna blow your mind. Some farm animals can actually go wild and do just fine. Let's check them out. First up, pigs. These clever creatures can adapt quickly, finding food and shelter with ease. Next, goats. Their climbing skills and varied diet make them perfect for wild terrains. Chickens might surprise you too. They're excellent foragers and can fend off many predators. And don't forget about hardy sheep. Their wool provides insulation against harsh weather. Even domestic ducks can swim their way through the wild, finding food in ponds and rivers. So next time you see a farm animal, remember they might just be wild at heart. Want more fascinating farm facts? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.